Kolkata just got a massive jolt of development as the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit on Friday sent shockwaves across the political landscape and infrastructure projects. The Prime Minister's trip is nothing short of a blockbuster event filled with monumental inaugurations, a short and surprising trip to Metro, and a fiery speech that has set the stage for a political battlefield in West Bengal. Hello everyone, I am Debalina and you are watching News Step 1. From the moment his plane touched down, the city was on high alert. It wasn't just about the security. It was about an electrifying energy of a city buzzing with anticipations. PM Modi didn't just visit Kolkata. He unveiled a vision for Viksit Bengal by dedicating projects worth over 5.2 billion to the people. His schedule was packed with transformative events, from flagging off the new metro lines to laying the foundations for a mega expressway, all aimed at catapulting Kolkata into a new era of urban development. The highlight of the day was the inauguration of the 3 new Kolkata metro sections, a move set to revolutionize the city's transport system. At the Jashore Road metro station, the Prime Minister flagged off the Noapara Jai Hind Viman Bandar line, a game changer that will finally connect the city's heart to its international airport. He also launched Shialda Esplanade and Beleghata Hemanta Mukhopadhyay lines. Notably, the Shialda Esplanade is set to reduce the travel time between the city's 2 busiest railway hubs from 40 minutes to 11. As a personal touch, Prime Minister Modi took a ride to the newly inaugurated metro station Jashore Road to airport and back. The ride with the Prime Minister interacting with the commuters and local officials sent a clear message. It is not just a political visit, rather, it is a commitment to the efficient and modern Kolkata. Beyond the metro projects, PM Modi laid the foundation stone of the 6-lane Kona Expressway, a 1200 crore initiative aimed at easing the connectivity between Howrah and Kolkata. Once completed, it will reduce the commuting time drastically and will boost trade and commerce across the region. The day concluded with a rally that sent strong political signals. PM Modi addressing the crowd directly and criticizing the state government for allegedly delaying on the central development projects and misusing the funds. Speaking of a new Bengal, he emphasized that the central fund should benefit the people and not the politics. The Prime Minister called for a double-engine government that will deliver the exact Poribarton the citizens of West Bengal are seeking for, a message that drew resounding approval from the crowd. By blending infrastructure milestones with the direct engagement with the citizens, the Prime Minister did not only strengthen Kolkata's urban landscape but also did set a stage for the heated political discourse ahead of the state election. The question now is that the grand projects and the promises are impressive, but how well will they be maintained in the upcoming months or years? Time to think. For more updates, keep watching News Step 1. This is your host Debalina signing off.